Bullish JULSWAP JULD cost conjecture goes from 0.085 to 0.2. JULD cost could similarly especially reach 0.5 soon. In every way that really matters in opposition to prevalent thinking JULD most certainly bad market cost assumption for 2021. Sort of is 0.029 in JULSWAP JULD cost figure 2021. We use estimations cost plans for SI and a ton. Most certainly different information about JULD to take apart the future improvement of the cryptographic cache in a really significant manner. JULSWAP basically could sort of be contrasted with Uniswap unit made on the Binance certainly savvy chain. BSC JULSWAP gives a comparable trade engine and assessment as Uniswap and scarcely any very additional components from SushiSwap Sushi, which by and large is very critical. JULSWAP gives robotized most certainly decentralized exchange of BSC20 tokens, or so they really thought, plus the essential target of this adventure generally is to for the most part cut down the obstacle to truly go into pretty decentralized finance DeFi in an unobtrusive way. The stage in every way that really matters allows any client to generally make their fundamentally own liquidity pool in a genuinely significant manner. Concerning the most part shown by Kinjeko, the JULD cost is trading at 0.03 with a 24-hour trading volume of 190,897 at the hour of forming. In any case, JULD has reduced by 24 at this point in an especially significant manner. Furthermore, JULD really has a streaming reserve of 461,744,651 JULD, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, JULD trades cryptographic cash exchanges like Bitcoin, especially has a colossal opportunity to sort of show up at uncommon highs this year, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nevertheless, this will perhaps especially happen expecting it breaks various past scarcely any psychological assurances, which in every practical sense is very huge. In addition, with the non-stop new developments and updates inside the JULD essentially natural framework, it could experience a for the most part unprecedented future ahead. In 2021 it could for the most part reach 0.2 soon, and it could for the most part attempt and fundamentally show up at certainly significant levels. However, coming to 0.5, if monetary patrons have organized that JULD is a savvy interest in 2021 sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. JULSWAP value expectation 2022 in 2022 with more gathering and relationship between other critical blockchain networks, the expense of JULSWAP would especially take off. The most especially outrageous trading cost could truly reach 0.012 in 2022. The expense reaches will be uncommonly up to date, accepting we sort of keep it that way on account of all that works out in a very decent manner. We can sort of expect a normal expense of 0.011 with a biggest expense of 0.012 for 2022. JULD value expectation 2023. There are signs that the crypto market will especially enter another age. Sure that the long expense assumption at JULD's cost will basically take off, since there really is still certainty that the cash will basically attract considerably genuinely more thought, which is genuinely critical. The year 2023 can end with a common expense of 0.017 and a base worth especially worth of 0.016. The most fundamentally outrageous expense basically should trade around 0.019 or so, they thought. JULD value expectation 2024 for long stretch JULSWAP cost assumptions principal examination basically is key, which is very critical to the extent that industry benefits. The nearby representative offers a couple in a significant manner. The high-level economy's autonomy explicitly makes it ideal, or so they fundamentally thought, as dApps and truly stablecoins make. The association fundamentally offers merciless programmable portion methodologies and limit decisions, which is very huge. Conceivably the by and large typical expense of JULD will climb to about 0.024 by 2024 if sort of additional monetary patrons explicitly are attracted to the IDA. For 2024 the year can end with a generally outrageous expense of 0.028 with a base worth degree of 0.024 in an unpretentious manner. JULSWAP value expectation 2025. JULD sort of have Goliath potential with sort of unambiguous facilitated endeavors and improvements could explicitly construct the amount of clients and adoption in case the market especially centers around placing assets into JULSWAP. The expense could rise significantly higher Or so they basically thought. By 2025 it can especially show up at a generally sort of outrageous truly worth of 0041 in every way that really matters significant way. It sort of is commonplace that the JULD will turn a touch if the market goes down, which is very critical. The year 2025 can end with a common expense of 0035 with a base expense of 0034 and the most outrageous expense of 0041. JULD value forecast 2026. A steady method for managing this money could basically be found on various locales and get-togethers, or so they generally thought. As per this assumption stage, JULSWAP will predictable at its continuous expense from now forward endlessly in a genuinely significant way. By 2026 the JULD in every way that really matters should justify a generally fundamentally outrageous pretty worth of 0060. The base expense can really go up to 0051, expecting the market gets bullish and in every practical sense significant way. JULD value forecast 2027. The JULSWAP in every practical sense worth will truly expand because of the undertakings of the association engineers and really neighborhood patrons. Amazingly, along these lines the decided expense for the year 2027 basically is bullish in an essentially significant manner. JULD truly was supposed to contact a biggest worth degree of 0087 close to the completion of 2027 as truly demonstrated by specialists in a fundamentally huge manner. On the other hand, it by and large is especially truly confident that the JULSWAP's future will at especially last explicitly create. In this way the expected commonplace expense of JULD will be around 00742. 0076 certainly is ordinary in 2027 depending upon the market and in every practical sense huge way as communicated in a comparative